What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, but we're having a massive windstorm ripping through, destructive windstorm. Started late last night, about 2:30 in the morning, with the weirdest sounding thunder I've ever heard in my life. It literally sounded like someone was knocking on a door and then kind of almost like a growling sound, but like a gut curdling. It was weird. It was absolutely weird. Anyways, the reason I'm starting off in the house is because outside is rank windy. We had something really shitty happen, and well, let me show you. Let me zoom out here. I apologize for the wind, but as you guys see, it's windy. There's the trike. My shop got absolutely fucked, just completely destroyed. So, yay. Waiting for this wind to die down, and then gonna see what we can do. I kind of had a feeling that this was coming when it was ripping the other day. In the last video, as you guys saw, it started to tear apart there. I quickly jumped on the Amazon and ordered this all-purpose tarp, 12 foot by 24 foot, 10 mil thick, right? Hoping that this will be enough to fix it. Heavy duty, waterproof, mildew resistant, all that. So once the weather outside, once the wind kind of fucks off, we're gonna go fix this. Yeah, it's always something, isn't it, folks? But it is what it is. So the shelter logic lasted, well, the video was posted on here. I think it was last May? April? I think maybe April 2024 to September 4th, 2025. So, yeah. And a replacement one, I did order it, it was $450 and it showed up ripped. So, great. Hopefully this will work until we can figure something else out, or actually just say screw it and build a shop. Alright guys, it's the next day. A lot less windy. As you can see, still windy, but a hell of a lot less windy. Cold, really cold today. So we can get a look in here. I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but the Tahoe is just covered in white spots. I think it's just covered. So, yeah, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go around. We're gonna take this tarp off of here. I had a cut because it's already destroyed. I'm not gonna go fancy, and you guys can see that bar right there. Right, we're not gonna unbolt the bar right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go probably cut against it, and then that way we can get this off, so that it's not ripping apart and spreading more shit over the yard. I gotta move the railway ties and stuff I was gonna have to do anyways to loosen it so we can get it off, and then we'll see if we can get that other tarp over here. I'm hoping, anyways, that's the plan. Oh, I see another screw head up there that's wrong. So, okay, I see some things that need to be addressed and changed on here, but we can figure that out. So, if you guys remember when we built this thing, it was just installed over a pretty quick day. So, yeah. I got a new tarp coming. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last video there, or the last clip. I contacted Shelter Logic, and this thing is under warranted. So, I've got another, I guess it's their stage 2, tarp roof setup coming. It's the roof and both sides, and it's got a 10 to 12 year warranty, and it's supposed to last. So enough of the yammering, guys. I guess it's time we begin. I'll probably go grab cutters and I'll open the door. I have it zip tied shut. Right, I have it zip tied just to kind of keep it from doing its thing, from flapping too much. So I'm gonna do that. I'll cut the zip tie and we'll go inside the shop and we'll begin. I'm not excited for this, but it is what it is. Hopefully I can find someone to come help me here with the tarp because it's getting a little bit windy all of a sudden out of nowhere. Fun. Okay guys, we're inside the shop and it's honestly, it's not bad on this side. Like wind wise, it's not too bad. Yeah, the sun definitely destroyed the shit out of it. So, what do you do, hey? What do you do? I gotta move all of this stuff out of here. I was hoping to not have to take the Tahoe out of here, but we might have to take the Tahoe out as well, which sucks because with it being kind of windy like it is, the door likes to do its stupid shit. So, I'm hoping I can get in here and I can cut all of this, and then I don't have. Then I can just layer down. So over here, I'll have to get in there and unhook the one for here, which is on the outside. So that's always fun. Probably have to take the compressor in the house. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Have to have everything out of here just in case it storms real bad or something. We don't need the power no more. Oop, oop. So I'll probably climb up there too, and I'll take that down. So not a big deal. Takes all of 2 seconds. That way too, I don't. If we have a big storm, I don't want lightning to attract or anything. Right? We'll reset and rebuild up everything. Again, shop 2.0 when the new covers and stuff come. So, ouch! Because with the way that my shoulder has been and my health and stuff lately, I'm actually gonna get that all done. I'm paying to have somebody actually install everything. So, all right. Well, here's this cord here. Now to do that, I'm gonna have to go grab a ladder. But always something, folks. Always something. Just a bunch of cleaning up after the storm destroyed my shop. I guess, might as well do this while we're right here. End of it, This is how you can tell the shop's done. This one, anyways. Build a new one. Anyways, folks, I'm just gonna keep it on here. Oh fuck! I can't cut that. These side cutters are, these side cutters aren't sharp. We'll be back with an update, progress update. As much of this stuff done as we can. So always fun. Tomorrow though, I have a big video I'm gonna be shooting. So I want to get this all done, this thing all covered up, and hopefully I can get this video out to you guys tonight. For me, it's Friday. I have really insane fiber optic internet now, so all my tires are weathering. I got fiber optic internet now, so to upload takes like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, if that, and then from there we get like processing, which usually takes a while. But yeah, I can upload and down and stuff a lot faster. Also, I'm gonna put a clip in here of the shop, of it happening, of it destroying, of it ripping apart. I probably mentioned that earlier. I have a clip from my security camera of it happening, and the cool part is this reminded me because I just discovered it. That was where it was failing, right? That we taped and we fixed. That was all good. It did it like above where the seam is. So that wasn't the fail point. Somewhere else above it was that we didn't know. So, because like, look how far that dropped down. Like, that's way far down there. So, but anyways, hope you guys enjoy the little clip here of it falling apart. So we'll see you guys with this cleared out of here. Okay, went around and got I'm keeping the guys in, keeping the hooks in there, because we'll use them, but for now, these guys will be, everything's out. So here, as you guys can see, remember it was tore before, because of this bolt, nut and bolt being in wrong. So we're gonna get all that stuff fixed when we redo this. So I will say too that I'm shooting on an S25, and I hate this fucking phone. It does never stays in your pocket. So yeah, I guarantee it won't be long before I break it. So just letting you know, Samsung, this phone's garbage for staying in a pocket. It really is. So, but yeah, this was ripped, being tight. We got this one out, and we got this one over here out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start cutting, and hopefully we can get this thing off of here, guys. So I would leave it, but the way that it is, I'd hate for us to get like a super gust of wind to come and like grab it and bend it and fucking collapse it and pull it over and smash the Tahoe and all that to shit. So we'll get this off of here, then the wind can pass through until we get the new one. So always something to do, I tell ya. Well, it took all afternoon for the most part, and wind picked up again, but she's how she was, guys, like a year and a half ago. So it looks like we could have a bit of a storm brewing, which is fun. Got the trikes tucked in all over here, hidden underneath the side of the house, kind of keep the rain and stuff off them. We're going to be working on this guy next. That was the plan until this happened. Well, actually, I think it was testing out some interior cleaning parts or products with the Denali. But yeah, no, next video we're going to be doing, we'll probably be working on Emmy's quad, get that thing going, or my yellow one, depending on if the parts come. But here's the old tarp, the old roof, absolutely just munged and destroyed. I was going through here and finding out how things aren't, like a lot of these feet aren't right. A lot of things here aren't right, which we all knew that, right? So when I hire the people that are gonna come actually build it properly, they're gonna fix all that for me. So, and you can see some of the bars look like they're a little bit bent, a little bit, but that's just from how it was leaning. So we can get them to fix all of that. So I would be putting the other tarp over this right now, but there's a big funeral in town right now and I can't really get a hold of anybody. So I guess we'll probably end the video there. We're gonna, unless I can get somebody before I get this thing to edit into editing to help me put the tarp on. This is where we'll leave this part of the video. So very disheartening. There's my shop. Got a pile of shit. So, which brings me to a question now. I wonder how much of that I can fit into my black bin there. What do you guys think? How full is it? Well, you know what? We are gonna try. We're gonna try to fit all of that into it. Think we'll do it? Think it'll fit? That's how we'll end the video. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back. I wouldn't believe it if I didn't see it, or I guess do it myself, but it fit. Oh, there's a hole there. I keep forgetting about that. It fit. I had to climb up and jump up and down on it to get it to fit, but it's in there. So now, can wheel it to the spot and wait for a garbage pickup day and hope my garbage in the house isn't overfull. That's always a bonus. So, oh, poor Tahoe. Out in the elements again. Hey, truck. Poor truck. Oh well. Sure does look pretty though, doesn't it? Oh, what a piss off, folks. Ooh, I think there's a skunk somewhere, I think. Either a skunk somewhere or someone's burning something really good. Which I haven't done for a while, honestly. I've been too busy with life and just trying to do things differently these days. 41 years old, trying to act like my age, right? So, but this was a major piss off. Major blow to the channel. Major setback. But it is actually going to turn everything around, and things are going to be a lot better. So let me go run this to the curb, and we'll be back to end the video. Well, folks, I guess that's where she's going to sit for now while the sun goes down. It's hard to get a hold of people right now, just because with harvest and with funerals and stuff like that. But we will be getting it done here within like the next day or two, so we'll have a video on seeing if that tarp will fit. But other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in today and joining me on this journey. Sorry, I'm having hiccups. I was having some onion rings with the kids and stuff, so I got a little bit of the gas from the onions, but it's all good. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in for this I guess part of my adventure. That's just part of it, part of the journey, I guess, of owning these shops, having this one just destroyed. So I don't know, folks, how would you feel if you woke up and it was windy, you took the kids to school, you have a shower, you get out of the shower and you look and your shop is destroyed? Yeah, I'd be pretty upset, but I gotta stay positive because, as you guys know, we've got a plan. The old shop had to break so the new shop can be built. So for that, guys, you're gonna have to stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button for more. We've hit over 1,500 subs now, which is huge. Thank you guys so much. And with that, I'm going to leave you guys because with the sun going down, I got to get this edited and get it up for you guys. I know it's late, but it's been a crazy week. I got a big road trip ahead of me in the morning to go somewhere really cool. So we will see you guys next time. Well, I guess we'll see you guys there. And that video should be out regular time next week. So this week, like I said before, I wanted to take time off. But with with school starting and everything like that, but I just never got a chance. And with the shop fucking up, even less likely of a chance. So, anyways, that's life, and we just gotta stay positive. Anyways, till next time, take care of yourselves. Love you guys. God bless.